Hello everyone. Today I am going to give presentation on OER, what and why, giving it knowledge for free. And I am Dr. Ramkishan Bisse from SIS Graduate School of Technology, Nehru Navi, Mumbai. First we will see what you are going to learn in this presentation. This is the flow of the presentation. Understand the term Open Educational Resources. What is meant by OER, Open Educational Resources. Know where to search for Open Educational Resources. The importance of educational resources. Why OER is important. The positive thing about the OERs is the advantages of OER. Which are the 10 places look for the OER? Here are some sites which I have mentioned here, which on that site you can go and use the OER. This is the flow of my presentation. You are going to learn these things in this presentation. First, what are open educational resources? What you think which are the open educational resources? The definition of OER currently most often used is digitized materials offered freely and openly for educators, students, self-learners to use and reuse for teaching, learning and research. OER includes learning contents, software tools to develop, use and distribute this content, implementation resources such as open licenses. Open educational resources refers to accumulated digital assets that can be adjusted and which provide benefits without restricting the possibilities for others to enjoy them. Now, OER, which stands for Open Educational Resources. There is no single definitions of what OER means. There are different definitions. There are given by the different persons. There are different ways of conceptualizing the underlying model of management, pedagogy, and scale involved. However, central to the idea of OER is the openness in the creation, sharing, and reuse of learning teaching materials with the barriers of cost and access for the students or end user reduced as much as possible. They are at the heart of the idea of open education. Now, open education resources. The freely available materials for teaching and learning. In the last slide, we have seen what is meant by open educational resources. We have seen the definition of what is meant by open educational resources. There are many modified materials. There are many types: books, lectures, courses, modules, animations, datasets, visualization, simulations, and interactive maps, real-time data. All these things comes under the open educational resources. One useful definition from the Open Commons is that the open educational resources, that is OER, are teaching and learning materials that are freely available online for anyone to use, whether you are an instructor, student, or a self-learner. OER can exist as a smaller, standalone resources that can be mixed and combined to form a larger piece of content or as a larger course modules for a full courses. This is about definition about from the Open Common. Now the question is, can I create my own OER from someone else openly shared materials? How should it be licensed? Okay, so now the answer for this question is a yes. Absolutely. The Creative Commons provides an option for a share alike. This means that any resources created from something, so license must be shared under the license of the same type. You should also show the original alongside. Your new one, so that anyone seeking the origins of your material can easily track back source material. You can use, but you have to give the courtesy to the materials from where you have taken it. OER are teaching, learning and research resources that reside in the public domain or have been released under an intellectual property license that permits their free use or repurposing by others. Open educational resources include full courses, course materials, modules, textbooks, streaming videos, tests, quizzes, software, and any other tools, materials, or techniques used to support access to the knowledge. The term OER has been used to refer the learning materials such as learning objective, already I told you that, quizzes, crossword puzzles, flashcards, animations, etc. Audio lectures, audio-video lectures, images, sounds, music, entire course content, open courseware, collection of journal articles and institutional resources and textbooks. So why OER? Why we are using the OER, or why OER is so much important? Because student response to the high cost of the textbook is a very low. 65% didn't buy textbook due to the cost of the textbooks. 48% text cost affected of the courses. So 82% said they do better with a free text. So why not the OER? There are some positive or positive point about the OER, or we can adapt it to the classes. It is easily or immediately available online, accessible design, and it can easily update it. So these are some advantages of OER. Then the 10 places to look for a OER. Discover the universe of open educational resources. Jorum, the free learning and teaching resources. OER Commons, OER Dynamic Search Engine, OpenLearn, MIT EduX. You can do so many online courses through these sites. UNESCO OER Toolkits, University Learning, ShareCreate, and Coursera. Most famous is the Coursera. There are so many courses that are available on the Coursera, so you can go for it. These are the references I have taken for this presentation, and thank you very much.